In this lesson, you're going to learn the steps to building your website's Google ranking and finding yourself on page 1 with consistent long-term SEO strategies. The first thing that you want to do is create a sitemap. A sitemap helps Google to easily identify pages of your website so it can add them to the list of Google results when someone searches for your services. Now, at the time of making this video, the steps to do this are as follows. Step 1 is set up an account, and you'll need a Google account. Step 2 is to add your site. Step 3 is to verify your site, and you'll do this by uploading a HTML file to your site or to add a short-coded snippet to your homepage. Now once you've done this, you'll get a happy green checkmark when Google sees what you did. Step 4 is to create an XML sitemap, and this tells Google what pages are on your site so then it can index them, and it won't index them all, it's just picky that way. There are a couple of ways to do this depending on the type of your site or blog that you're running. If you're using WordPress, you should install the Google XML Sitemaps plugin, which will generate it automatically for you. Step 5 is to add your sitemap. Now once your sitemap exists, you need to tell Webmaster Tools where it lives on your site. This is typically something like yoursite.com/sitemap.xml. Step 6 is to get in the habit of checking in once per month to look at stats and spot any errors. It's also a good QA task to do after you make any changes to your site in case you broke something in the process. Next thing you want to do is find the keywords for your business. Chances are you haven't even thought about this, and that's totally okay because it's boring. Now, Dan has search engine optimized over 1,000 fitness websites, and chances are that these are the keywords. Something like location with your actual location, personal trainer. So it would be something like personal trainer location, location personal trainer, best personal trainer location, personal training in location, location personal training. You get the point. Now optimize your websites for these keywords and you'll already be a step ahead of your competition. Now after you've got the keywords, you want to optimize your static pages. To optimize your page, try to mention that keyword or a variation of that keyword, e.g. personal training in location, in the following places: your page title, your first header, the first paragraph, the second header, and the last paragraph. You'll need 500 to 1,000 words on your homepage to make this work. Now with your keywords and variations of the keyword in those places, Google will see it and think this site must be about those keywords. Maybe I'll put it on page 1. Also, you might be wondering about blogging. Now, your blog is the marketing gold ticket to promoting you, your services, and making your online presence known. The best and easiest way to optimize your blog is to provide amazing, relevant, and targeted content which adds value to your audience's life. Then, working from there, making sure you make the content keyword rich and optimize your titles, sections, and tags will help put your website out there past the noise of your competition. Seriously, that's all there is to it. As usual, remaining consistent in your marketing efforts, whether that's Facebook, content, or SEO, will yield the best possible results.